In the heart of the 13th century, a shadow loomed over the civilized world, a force unstoppable, a terror unmatched, the Mongol Empire, under the command of Genghis Khan's grandson, Hulagu Khan. Hulagu Khan, a descendant of the fearsome conqueror, set his sights on the rich and prosperous Islamic world, particularly the Abbasid Caliphate, which held the legendary city of Baghdad. The city, known as the City of Peace, was a hub of learning and culture, a beacon of knowledge that attracted scholars and intellectuals from all corners of the world. As Hulagu Khan's armies approached, the Caliphate's forces, though vast, were no match for the Mongols' ruthless tactics and superior weaponry. The city's walls, once considered impregnable, crumbled under the onslaught. On February 10, 1258, Baghdad fell. The city was sacked, its libraries looted, and its scholars slaughtered. The Caliph, Al-Musta'sim, was captured and brutalized. His death, a symbol of the Mongols' cruelty, was reportedly marked by the trampling of his body under the hooves of horses. The sacking of Baghdad marked a turning point in world history. The intellectual and cultural center of the Islamic world was decimated, and the knowledge contained within its libraries was lost, perhaps forever. The Mongols, however, did not stop at Baghdad. They continued their relentless march westward, eventually reaching the borders of Europe. The fear of a Mongol invasion caused panic across the continent, and many cities fortified their defenses in anticipation of the onslaught. Yet, the Mongols never fully invaded Europe. A series of internal disputes and the death of Hulagu Khan in 1265 halted their westward march. However, the fear of the Mongols remained, and their legacy of devastation and destruction cast a long shadow over the civilized world. The Mongol invasion of Europe serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable nature of history. A force once considered unstoppable, the Mongols, under the leadership of Hulagu Khan, brought terror and destruction to the heart of the Islamic world. Their impact was felt far beyond the sacking of Baghdad, shaping the course of history for centuries to come.